the latest feedback on my little endeavour. I got enough money together so far to buy a field, get kegs, get a wind turbine in. I'm doing a biker bar, but I'm still trying to get more money together to do it and more resources to do it. Anyhow, I got in touch with 18 different companies today. There was about 5 more I got in touch with. They were okay, but these 18 all had one very similar thing in common, and this is things from buying glasses to buying equipment for the bar to getting planned for just different companies. And their advertising, because I always check their online first, is geared for black, brown, lesbian, all that kind of stuff. Nothing for the majority of the population of the country. So I simply asked them, are you allowed to do business with me? Because I'm a straight white English man. Of course we are. But your advertising is geared toward everybody else except for me. And the woke response every single time was, you're being racist. 15 hung up as soon as they said it, because it's obvious they're afraid to continue the conversation. 3 of them who didn't hang up fast enough, I said, how can you call me racist when you are the ones not allowing advertising for white people? You're basically ostracizing 75% of the population of the country? And this whole knee-jerk reaction to call somebody racist is criminal, because I'm not being racist for asking a question. They are being racist for not representing the majority of the country. That's a dictatorship. So the ongoing quest continues. Still trying to find a location.